You're studying wrong. You've been staring at the same PDF for 3 hours and you can't remember page 1. What if you could just listen while you walk, while you work out, while you ride the subway? VoiceBrief turns any PDF into a full AI audio lecture in seconds. Not robotic text-to-speech, real, natural lecture-style explanations that actually make sense. Confused about a concept? Just ask. VoiceBrief's AI tutor answers your questions in real time, like having a professor on call 24/7. Plus, smart quizzes test what you actually know. Students at top universities are already learning 3 times faster. They study on the subway, at the gym, walking to class. Every dead hour becomes a power hour. Other tools just read your documents out loud. VoiceBrief actually teaches you. Full interactive lectures, voice chat, quizzes, all from your own documents. Stop reading, start listening. Try VoiceBrief free today at voicebrief.io. Your brain will thank you.